Magandang hapon po ng November 12, 2023 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 12, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, November 12, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 12, 2023, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 123 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 117 million pesos for Sunday, November 12, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 12, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.